Due to the recent pandemic, our healthcare professionals are working under the toughest conditions. They have no choice but to wear a face mask for protection. However, prolonged use of the masks is taking a toll on their skin. Now there's a solution for face mask skin damage and irritation. By combining masks with our gentle mini eye strips, you can protect your skin. Our gentle material is made for the sensitive skin on your face. Simply remove the back from the tape and apply across the nose and down your cheeks, forming a triangle around your mouth. Gently rub to activate the adhesive. Then, simply apply the mask of your choice over the tape. You can remove and reapply your mask as needed without removing the strips. The tape acts as a barrier between your skin and the mask. When you're ready to do so, the gentle mini eye strips are easy to remove and is suitable for disposable surgical masks. For a full seal, use the Kinesiology tape masks. Support your local healthcare professionals. Inform them of added protection today.